Okay, so today we are going to make keys to a Ford Focus, and that's the emergency key. And here is the proximity remote. So this is a 2013, so we've got two of these, and we'll just open this up. So we remove the door lock, we've decoded the door lock, so that's the door lock. And this is what the remote looks like. So we've got a Ford, and underneath there is where the key will go. So I'll be cutting that now, and that's what the remote looks like. And then you squeeze these two things together on the side just there, and that will lift that up. And if I just put something in there, you'll see that where the key actually goes. So that's where the key goes. So that T-piece fits in there, and you use that, put that in the door lock, and then you use this bit here to actually use it to lock and unlock the car, which I'll show you once this is done. It may have a battery in it from Ford, it may not. We will test it. Okay, so this is how this works. You get the key out, put it into the door lock, and then using this piece here, you just put it like that, lock and unlock the door. And that's it. We'll program remotes now